Hi, grade 11. Let's do roots and surds. Today I'll be focusing only on the roots, right? Let's go. Number 1, I want you to write this cube root as an exponent. So I want you to remove the root. I'm going to show you how to do it, eh? This is the cube root of a squared. How we remove the root is we say inside over outside. So this is under, so inside the root over outside. So this you're going to write as a to the inside over outside. And that's it. And let's look at number 2. Do you see here? You can't see the inside and outside. So if there's no power, the power is 1. And if there's nothing outside a root, it's a square root. So there's actually a 2. So then this is x to the inside over outside. So x to the inside over outside. Now by number 3, I want you to write it back into a root. So remember, top is inside and this is outside. So there's a root with a. So this is inside. So this is inside and this is outside. So the fifth root of a squared. Next, let's look inside, outside. So I have a root x. Inside, outside. Can you see? So that is how you work with the roots. But let's do more complicated examples. So that's easy, but it's so important to understand, eh? So let's do number 5. Now with this question, you have to solve it without the use of a calculator. Can you see that this is inside and this is outside? So we're going to remove the root. So 625 over 81. Look at this. Inside over outside. There the root is removed. Then I want you to rewrite prime base and prime base. So 625 becomes 5 to the 4 and 81 becomes 3 to the 4. And then everything 3 over 4. What we do now is we're going to say this to the this, but also this to the this. Look here. We say this to the this over this to the same thing. Let's see. A power to a power you multiply, that's 5 to the 3. A power to a power you multiply, that's 3 to the 3. And then that you can simplify. 5 to the 3 is 125. And 3 to the 3 is 27. And that's the answer. That's how you do that. Let's look at this example, grade 11s. So here we have a root again, eh? So if there's no power, there's a 1. And if there's no root, there's a 2. Okay? So let's go. So first thing I'm going to write this is inside over outside. To the 3 times 3 to a half. Okay, so that gives you a mark over there. Eh? Then a power to a power we multiply. So this is 3 over 2. If you multiply that times 3 and this is a half. And then when you multiply exponents with the same base, you keep the base and you add the powers. That's what happens. So what 3 over 2 plus a half is 2. So this is 9. So that's how you do that.